Hey guys, Nolan here with MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. Got a 2026 280 SLX from Sea Ray. I'm going to show you guys today. This one has the horizon side with the Sea Ray blue stripe, white hull bottom, got the windlass, got the power tower. On the back here with the Bravo 3 drive, connected to the 8.2 MAG HO engine. Trim tabs down here. Got a manual folding swim step. Have a ladder here. Why don't we climb on board here and check out the inside. On board here, as we climb on, got the starboard walkway. There's a door on that, as well as a step for tall docks. The sun pad back here. Big huge storage under there. This boat has the 8.2 MAG HO engine. Has the fire suppression system. Mount here for your cockpit table, sea deck flooring throughout. We have the starboard side table here. Has a mag charger, some cup holders, as well as a nice little spot for some storage there as well. Got the fridge drawer down here, in-floor storage. Got the twin Simrad helm, digital throttle, trim tab control over there as well, fusion stereo, the head here, so the vacuum flush head. Walking through, you do have a wind door here. Close that, close the windshield. You can really protect the cockpit on a cooler day. Armrests up here, storage under the seats. This storage space is huge, folds all the way up. You got room under here for your tables, your bow filler cushion, your table pedestals, as well as a bunch of other stuff. It's a huge storage space. This whole seat folds up, just folds back down. One of the really great features on these SLXs is that storage space. So there is storage under the other seats as well. This boat has the windlass, has the power top with the permanent harder bimini. These captain's chairs actually do rotate around, so you can include both of these seats in the conversation space. Really just opens this boat up, gets everybody in here. If you're just hanging out, can all be a part of the conversation. It's one of my favorite boats from Sea Ray. It's a 280 SLX. It's a 2026. Come check it out.